Something is moving inside. Something is moving inside. Okay, let's move this here. The wheel nuts are basically just thrown in the box. That is giving the noise here. And they are flying all over the place. I don't know if that is good thing or bad thing, because the back nuts are installed but the front ones are not. Then we need to it's pretty damn heavy. Ai, saatana. That has the cable, but maybe it's the best option what we have. Okay. That is not because I did drop the unit. I didn't drop this unit. Yeah, we need to take the duct tape somehow away from the bed, so nice glue is left here from the duct tape. No, at least it's double side, so that is basically one saving point. It's also fun that all these printers are basically coming with the yellow springs. So they are better springs. What prevents the brands just using the regular springs and painting those yellow? Just saying, I like here I don't really see that these springs so powerful. What is usually the yellow are really powerful. Like this is pretty damn easy to push at to the end. I doubt that this sole just come loose like this. I have like the antenna and the nut piece. Here you can see the broken connectors to the filament sensor and to the LED strip on the gantry. And here is Z-axis stepper motor has bent pin and broken connector, also the plastic piece. I don't know how you can damage the paint inside the gantry, but also the Wi-Fi antenna is broken and I need to order a new one. And the firmware and everything is minor issues. I have own videos about everything what I did find out about the Artillery 3D. But yeah, this is the from the manual. It's all show like this, but let's go and check this one. The material break detection is here. There is refueling feed hole, what is basically extrude, and this is basically taking the material away. So what I see, I have unload feed, and then I have only these options anymore here. And this is the after sales services, and I have only this big pile of the text here. And as you can see, poorly here there is language serve restart about, and in the manuals it should be after sales services. I don't know what is happening. This is super wet. It's just like something super wet is behind the firmware stuff. The product page, yeah, it says that these are returned. It was not refurbished, but like it's really misleading because like these returned machines have not undergone an official repair or inspected. That is super bad. That basically you can buy any printer, do whatever you want to that printer and send that back and get full refund. Seems like, because nothing is inspected after it's returning. I don't know. But yeah, it's just like I don't understand this. This cannot be like that good business for Artillery. Maybe it is because they are basically just selling pile of shit or basically parts in the box and taking like 100 euros for that. But like I did talk with the Artillery support, after sales support, before I did figure out, okay, there is no after sales warranty or anything. I was thinking like, okay, maybe they sold just inspect these. So I did say, okay, I can order the new printer, I can hit that with the hammer, I can throw that in the fire pit or something, and I can return that and get full refund. They didn't say anything about that. Then they did just basically say, yeah, we can make Pursas a link to you for the spare parts. And no. No thanks, I'm just getting the parts from AliExpress, like the better quality ones, like the Wi-Fi antenna and the stepper motor pin is already bent back, and the 3010 fan on here, the heatsink fan, is also broken from the box, or it basically maybe it did break from the old owner or something. I don't know. There is so much small things broken with this, so I did get the quality fan from the AliExpress, what I've been using in the most of the printers already. But yeah, machine quality may be new open box, good used and damaged for fix up. They also say free delivery everywhere, like there is free delivery here. We offer free shipping, blah blah blah. There is the shipping policy and everything says that there is free delivery. Used 3D printers, USA, EU, free. And I did pay $30 for the shipping. And here it says free shipping. And I did make PayPal dispute and the PayPal did return my money. That is good thing. Because I did contact them about the shipping policy, like the page is showing that the why there is the like free shipping everywhere. Like it did have the free shipping dollars here. So I was thinking, okay, yeah, maybe at the checkout I was thinking, okay, yeah, maybe it's for the USA or something. But after I did place the order, then I did find out the shipping policy, and it says USA 3D printers, USA and EU, free. So I did pay $30 for the shipping. And I did contact the artillery, and they did just say, yeah, it's the high cost shipping zone. Finland is high cost shipping zone. So are you wanting the printer or not, basically? So they did basically ask, do you want that we are shipping the printer or not? So I did say yeah. Then I did dig a little bit deeper, like everywhere in the product page it says free delivery here, it says free delivery here, it says basically free delivery everywhere. So that was the reason why I did make the PayPal dispute, and I did just provide all the links and the screenshots to the PayPal, and they did just return the shipping amount for the from the order. So it seems like Artillery 3D is trying to just take much as money as possible from you when you are getting the used printers. Like, they still say in everywhere that you don't need to pay for the shipping when it's used printers. There is the 3D printer shows it's the $30, but used 3D printers are free. So they are delivering any pile of parts or anything in the box, and they are taking $30 even when they are saying in the website that it's free. And why I did make the dispute and why I did get mad about this, I did link the shipping policy page to the artillery support, and they didn't say anything like, oh yeah, there is the old information or anything. They didn't say anything like that. They just did say basically, do you want that the order is shipped or not, basically, like when you read between the lines. And same time they are saying free everywhere. And this is how I think it should be done like this. There is it's divided into 4 types. new openbox good used damaget for fix up or damaget. So they are basically using the same bolded words here, but you can have the options. The option is pre-owned X4 Pro. But in Eleku you have the option, when they have the stock, they inspect the machine and they put that in one category. And you can see that the price is also changing. And you can clearly see what is broken, like powers on test, display monitor test. So if everything is those like those are working, but it's missing the accessories, then it's good used. If it's powers on, then it's damaged for fix up. If it doesn't even power, then it's damaged. That is something how it should be. Just make little bit really fast inspection and have that in the different category and have it like different price. But no, artillery is not doing that.